Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. Check out this 1967 Chevelle LS2 engine, convertible, top shelf built. I mean, everything was done to this. It's got a fresh LS2 engine in there with only 20,000 miles that was completely teared down. New rings, new bearings, etc. A 4L60 transmission with a fresh 12-bolt posi rear end on it. Everything under the hood has been show quality done. We'll go through this thing and let you see for yourself what you're getting, because this is one hell of a car. Trunk is done right, interior, everything. Look at this beautiful stance. Did I mention air conditioning? It has it. Straight, the paint is magnificent. Look at this thing. This is a show car. Repeat, a show car. Underneath, I've taken a bunch of pictures. They're going to be online as well. American Thunder Throwmaster exhaust system on here. Headers upgraded. Fuel injection upgraded with the rail system. Got LS1 injectors with the fuel rail system that are polished with a pulley system that's polished. I mean, just done right. All your chrome is excellent. Car's got 955 miles since the build. So all the little bugs are out of it. Everything works the way it should. And I mean everything. Upgraded Dakota gauges, dashboard. Look at how this thing lines up. See no flaws. A little lift here that could be adjusted. That's it. Maybe I can push it down. That's it. Doors line up perfectly. Rear quarters excellent. No, that's just a piece of dirt. Rear chrome bumper. Your glass in the windshield is excellent. All the glass around the car is in excellent condition. No stories. Chrome bumper in the rear is good. All your lights are working. Trunk just lines up. Rear quarter passenger side's fine. It's a custom magnetic he had made for it. Slaps right down, no hassle. Passenger door lines up great. All your chrome, weather stripping has been done. All your gauges work properly. Fender to the door lines up excellent. Just a magnificent car. No disappointments on this one. Take a look at this interior. Seat belts are intact. Sun visors. Original welds still there. I have a full description of this car online, so please take a moment to read it. We'll give you everything you need to know. Got upgraded sound system, kick panels down here, vintage air conditioning, upgraded, all your SS gauges, door panels. Those are your Dakota upgraded dash. Tilt steering wheel. Like I said, all your lights, turn signals, Everything works the way it should. Wipers, vent windows, which are nice to have. Let's check out this trunk. It's done right too. Look at the weather strippings. Look at this, how nice this is done. Look at how nice that is. I'll go around the other side. Upgraded wheels. Tires are in great shape. Just magnificent. Four-wheel disc brakes all the way around. Let's fire this beast up. I drove this thing. It drives magnificent. Shifter with your overdrive in it. 955 miles. Here comes the goodies. Polished chrome aluminum radiator. Dual fans. Air conditioning. Chrome that too. Look at the firewall. All the wires tucked away. Your belts are great. Everything. To give this an amazing, unbelievable build. Give it a little bit more gas. Great sounding car. So if you're looking to get some financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, hit apply now. Generally 10% down, up to 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 score and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Again, 84 months. Good rates, approval within 24 hours or sooner. If you need quotes on shipping, enclosed or open shipping, please contact me by texting me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. We have over 120 cars in our inventory for immediate delivery. All our photos and descriptions are posted online daily. We are located in Addison, Illinois, open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 till 2, by appointment only. If you have questions on any of our cars, please contact me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channels. Like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Earl, and it was a pleasure showing you this car. Call me if you're interested.